Dear brothers and sisters, I wish all Indians a very happy Republic Day. On 26th January 2021, we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. It's a great day for all Indians. It's an important day for all Indians. So it's time for us to take stock of our achievements. And I would like to share a few ideas and insights on India as well on the eve of Republic Day. 2020 was a bad year because of coronavirus, and it was a big challenge, and we are gradually coming out of it. We got vaccine, and very soon we'll come out of this pandemic successfully. We show to the world that we Indians are competent to handle any kind of adversity, any kind of pandemic, and we have a challenge across the border. Hopefully, the border issues will be resolved, and we'll be able to lead a peaceful and prosperous life. Our Indians are doing good across the world. Some of the Indians are CEOs of great companies across the world, and they are doing good. It's a great achievement for us. And some of the Indians who adopted to other countries are also doing good. They are bringing largesse to our country. We should cultivate a global mindset, tool set, and skill set to grow as global citizens. We are all Indians first, Indians last. At the same time, we need to have a global mindset to get along with the global dynamics. And we came out with NEP 2020. It emphasizes on scientific temper, it emphasizes on practical education, it promotes creativity and critical thinking. So it's a step in the right direction. So likewise, there are so many things we have achieved, and there is a growing urbanization. We need to have more homes. We still have unemployment, we still have poverty, we have to handle them. So likewise, we have several challenges, and we have achievements as well. I would like to leave an important message for all global citizens on the eve of India's uh, Republic Day. Love your mother, but don't hate another person's mother. That means love your country, but don't hate another person's country. Love your language, but don't hate another person's language. Love your community, but don't hate another person's community. As your mother is precious to you, another person's mother is equally precious to him or her. So, believing in that philosophy, and above all, India emphasizes Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That means the entire world is one family. We treat like that. So, keeping those ideals and ideas intact, we should promote fraternity uh, and emphasize humanity across the world. Let all Indians work together to build a strong and prosperous nation. And I implore all Indians to work hard, work smart, work wise to build a strong and prosperous nation. And also, I implore Indians to have a positive attitude, right attitude, strong attitude, be punctual, and stay committed so that we will be able to build a prosperous nation. God bless India. God bless the world. Jai Hind.